If you wish to uninstall Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 11, right-click on your Start button, click on Settings, and on the left-hand side, go to Apps. On the right, click on Apps and Features, and then underneath the app list where it says Search Apps, type in the word One, and you'll see it in the list. On the right-hand side with the three-dot menu, click and choose Uninstall. You'll get the warning this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click the Uninstall button. When the user account control prompt comes up, or if it does, go ahead and click Yes so the uninstall can proceed. Then wait a few moments and OneDrive should disappear. Now the files that were in OneDrive will not disappear. If you need to find those, you can click on File Explorer, go to this PC, go to your system drive, usually drive C, go into the users folder, choose your username, and you'll see the OneDrive folder is there. Double click on that and you'll see any of the files that remain. Those can be moved to your desktop or your documents or wherever you feel they properly belong. Hopefully this has helped you clear Microsoft OneDrive from your computer.